you looking for the best welding jackets? In this video, we will break down the top 6 welding jackets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
This black and red cotton welding jacket is a very similar design to the blue and black BSX cotton jacketing, except it has different colors and the flame design is on the sleeves instead of the side of the torso. The jacket is comfortable to wear, and it features the same lightweight 9 ounces, flame-resistant 3 cotton and adjustable straps. Other cool features are the zippered inside pocket and sleeve storage for marker pens. The snaps are nice to use, and the standard color helps improve safety. Overall, this is a stylish and comfortable jacket that's perfect for lighter welding projects and great value for money. Try getting a size up from usual if you're going to be wearing a thick shirt underneath. There are a lot of times when you feel like you have not bought the right size of the jacket, and it only fits your body perfectly, but not your wrists or your neck, so this can get very uncomfortable. That's because your accessories should allow you to work more efficiently than before and shouldn't restrict you in any way. In that sense, this black stallion welding jacket comes with 2 flaps for adjustments at the back. They are about 3 inches long. The additional feature you get is the snaps that are on the flaps. They are designed to cover the waist area to some extent and work like the cuffs on shirts. You will certainly look for a jacket that not only protects you during your welder work, but also looks good on you. If a jacket that is properly built for heavy work is what you require, this is the one for you. The high-quality fabric and materials that are used on this justify the extra weight. But after wearing it for some time, you will not notice that. This can really be a great choice if you are working in cold weather. This Lincoln Electric KH807L welding jacket is the perfect leather welding jacket you can buy for the money. This jacket contains everything you need. It is comfortable, robust, defends you from sparks, works perfectly, and has a very good quality value. It's a fantastic welding jacket crafted from fire-resistant leather that provides additional arm and torso coverage. To provide full all-around neck safety, the flip-up collar is sewn with adhesive straps, and the front jacket covers with snaps as well as a line flap. It's thick enough to provide consistent defense during stick welding, and everything is stitched together with triple needle stitching for maximum durability. You can also spend overhead welding for several full weeks, and it will not give you any burns while wearing this jacket. You will be more than satisfied with the safety provided by this jacket, plus the fact that it is an inexpensive option you look for. The Miller Electric Lightweight Welding Jacket is made of an 88% cotton, 12% nylon combination that does a great job of stopping sparks, but it is susceptible to molten blobs of metal and larger spatter droplets. For low amperage TIG work, or on flux core MIG using thin wire, it will protect well without taking too much damage. Plus, it is very comfortable and lightweight, even compared to the other lightweight fabric jackets. Miller is a great name for welding equipment, and this jacket has some good design features. The collar has a good shape to go with a welding helmet. The wrist cuffs are adjustable for a good fit to keep out sparks and spatter, fitting well into your gloves. These jackets are great for quick chores, or when the weather is too hot to wear a leather jacket, and you can get by for a while with something lighter and more breathable. The jacket is a tight fit around the wrists and the neck, thus protecting you from flying sparks, and preventing them from entering inside the suit. If you want a quality jacket, you shouldn't look any further. Lincoln Electric Black Flamer will meet your expectations. Naturally, the cotton is not as flame resistant as leather, making this Lincoln Electric less heavy duty than the previous one. In essence, this is an excellent jacket. It may not provide as much protection as the Lincoln Brown, but the 9-ounce flame resistant cotton will not fail you. In addition, the tight fit of the cuffs and the collar will make sure you don't get signed at all. STEINER's 1260-liter Weldlight jacket design works well for its purpose. It has leather arms and a flame-resistant cotton body, but it has a more tailored style. The collar doesn't give as much coverage as other welding jackets, and there's only one internal pocket, and no external pockets. You don't want to run overhead welds with it, but it will protect you from any spatter landing on your arms, and against a fair amount of heat exposure to your body. It's a good jacket within its range, and is suitable in both winter and summer with its unique mix of materials.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.